Now that we have a basic understanding of the layers of the OSI model, let's see how it works by using email for our example. When two users attempt to communicate, the only communication processes that the users are actually aware of are the typing, sending, and receiving of the message. The rest of the process is invisible to the user. In other words, as you know, when you send an email, you don't see your communication traverse the different layers of the OSI model. The goal of networking is to make communication as user-friendly as possible. The actual nuts and bolts of communication occur outside the view of the users, and this is where the OSI model and protocols come into play. Remember, each level of the OSI reference model communicates with its respective layer. In other words, Layer 1 on the sending computer talks to Layer 1 on the receiving computer as the signals travel from one end of the cable to the other. Then Layer 2 talks to Layer 2, and so on. This process continues up through each layer until finally one application talks to another application at Layer 7. This completes our discussion of the OSI reference model, at least for now. As I mentioned, we'll refer to this model many times in the coming sessions, and the more you learn about networking, the easier it will be to understand the OSI model, and vice versa. And again, you may want to revisit this lesson during the course.